In today's topic, we would be discussing mass movement Part 2. Processes of mass movement. The movement of weathered materials under the force of gravity is known as mass movement or mass wasting. Such movement may be slow and gradual or sudden and rapid, depending on the gradient of the slope, the weight of the materials, and the presence of any lubricating moisture supplied by rainwater. Major types of mass movement and their processes. Soil flow. Soil flow occurs when the soil receives heavy rainfall. It can be liquid or saturated with water, resulting in what is called mudflow. In situations where the flow is more rapid and involves rock debris, it is called an avalanche. This is frequent in humid climatic regions with steep slopes. Mudflow solidification is a type of soil flow associated with the subarctic region, where the ground is permanently frozen, permafrost. Soil creep. A creep is an extremely slow movement of soil on moderately steep, soil-covered slopes, particularly those underlain by materials with high clay content. The causes of soil creep include shaking by earthquakes, the growth of frost needles, heating and cooling of soil, trampling and burrowing by animals, alternating drying and wetting of the soil, root growth, chemical changes accompanying weathering, solution, and heavy rainfall. Landslide. A landslide refers to the rapid sliding of large masses of material, with little or no flowage of the material in the early stages of the sliding. Slides may be subdivided based on the material involved into debris slides, mudslides, and complex forms. The sliding plane may be a bedding, joint, or fold surface. Deep landslides across arcuate delta slide planes are called rotational slides or slumps. Rock falls. Rock falls occur on steep, bare rock slopes, angles greater than 40 degrees. A fall is an extremely rapid mass movement of rock or soil. It is a free movement in which materials fall and bounce rather than roll or slide. During rock falls, individual fragments may disintegrate, break, and form what are called talus or scree slopes, typically around 35 degrees. The causes of falls include climatic variables, such as high rainfall, freeze-thaw cycles, surface weathering, enlargement of joints, undercutting by erosion, and the development of tension cracks. Effects of mass movement. Mass movement can lead to the loss of farmlands or the destruction of crops already planted there. Settlements that were previously habitable may be forced to relocate due to mass movement. Mass movement can cause accidents, disrupt transportation and communication networks, and even affect power flow. Poles can fall, and soil creep, soil flow, landslides, etc., may block roads and rail lines. It can lead to the loss of social facilities. It can cause the damming of rivers. It results in the general lowering of the landscape. Mass movement may result in the loss of life. It produces a number of landforms such as talus and scree slopes. Differences between erosion and mass movement. Erosion is the gradual removal of topsoil, while mass movement is the movement of loose rock materials downslope. The agents of erosion are running water, wind, waves, and glacier, while mass movement is driven by the force of gravity. Erosion involves scratching, polishing, and plucking of loose rock surfaces, while mass movement involves creeping, flowing, slumping, sliding, and falling. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.